In the event you would like to clean your power base or actuator switches, first disconnect from power. Then, with a damp sponge, wipe the outside and inside of any liquid or stuck-on mess. Using a brush dipped in warm soapy water, give the base a light scrub. In the event your NutriBullet switches are sticking or just in need of cleaning, use the brush dipped in warm soapy water to scrub the actuators clean. Then use a blunt object, like the brush handle, to depress the actuator. This will help break up any dried stuck-on debris. You'll know it's cleared when the actuator moves freely. Repeat this action for each actuator as needed. When clean, use a sponge or towel to remove any leftover debris or liquid. Use a dry towel to wipe off the power base. Always make sure your power base is completely dry before using again.